I'm Nat, and this is James. For over 2 years, we've been sailing the world aboard our floating home, Zephyr. Someone once said that every person can transform the world to one of excitement and adventure. Follow our adventure by clicking the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so you don't miss an episode. Become a patron by clicking the Patron logo. You will get early access to weekly videos, exclusive content, and much more.
My baby, I don't cover that I die for you. I pray to the Lord.
You can take your helmet off.
No.
How did you go?
Really good.
So Brandon's birthday surprise is bum bum bum.
Quad biking!
Quad biking. So what a surprise, hey?
Yeah.
Wow. Anyway, we're here at the Aloe Plantation, and as you can see behind me, there's plenty of aloe. How many did he say?
Over 400.
No, more than that.
Or maybe more, yeah.
Tons.
We're going into the history part of it. So
Yeah, let's have a look.
Yeah, well, we live in Australia, so we're going to sail all the way back to Australia.
So you're gonna do a pit stop to Japan or what?
Oh my god, that is our dream.
And up like that. There
Thanks.
you go. No worries.
Teaching me how to put my helmet on. Film this time round. Let's go. There's our guide Leo at the front. Brandon second. James language. And I'm right at the back. Alright, let's go.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg det igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers. Då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig baby. Ja, du är allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Som dig baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Aldrig titta på någon annan. Varför du med annan? Kom var med mig baby. Aldrig titta på någon annan. Finns ingen annan jag vill ha min tjockarinna. Låsa och säg ingen sinna. Jag kommer alltid ride with you.
We are here at the Cave of Doom on our buggy tour.
Welcome to the Cave of Doom, guys.
You can scuba dive here. People saddle up their gear and then they go out, and then there's a nice 12-meter dive off the, it's 12-meter dive off the other side.
So nice.
How big was that one?
Look how wet he is.
That was incredible. You're as wet as I am, man.
Yeah, you should have just gone in, Brandon. That was so funny.
Go to the beach also, you know. Yeah.
That was so funny.
Oh my god.
How was that? Cave of
Oh, cave refreshing. That was incredible.
Dew. Alright, banana of the sea. Here we go.
No, banana of the reef.
Oh, the reef, sorry. The reef. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. It's like a caviar. It's very salty.
It's like a herb caviar.
Yeah.
Woo! That is salty.
That's good. I like that.
Mix that with your salad. You don't need to add the salt. Do that.
Wow.
Now you know when you see it, something like that growing,
We can eat it.
and grab it.
The 50-50, baby. Med det ballar, ja. Jag växlar upp för dig, baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon someday. Someday, baby.
Nice driving.
What beach is this we're at?
Canoa.
Canoa Beach,
Canoa-
which is known for
Surfing. So it's pretty cool. We get to check out the surf on a buggy tour. I'm pretty happy about that.
so the only surfable beach, right? On the northern side?
The only beach.
The
that's
only
surfable.
beach that's surfable.
Yeah.
There's a couple surfers out there. So
I can see it has good potential, but it's a bit small and lumpy today.
today, yeah.
Couple guys out there?
Bodyboarder and a surfer.
Yeah.
Fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon someday. Du är mitt liv, baby. Aldrig titta på någon annan, varför du med annan? Kom var med mig, baby. Aldrig lita på någon annan. Finns ingen annan, jag vill ha min chockarinna. Mosa och säg ingen sinna. Jag kommer alltid ride.
How's the quad biking birthday, boy? Yeah. What do you think of quad biking so far?
Amazing. It's been really good. It's really
Det är 50-50, baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp för dig, baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon someday. Det är mitt liv, baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon someday. Det är mitt liv, baby. Visa mig vart det finns. Du kommer väl till min city? Nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet att jag minns kör det. Skön social smuggler.
He's helping me with my helmet.
Yeah, man, service.
Wow. First stop.
Yeah, man. We won a few awards. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. We actually won 5 awards. One more is actually fixing.
I don't think Curaçao's won the World Cup.
No.
But,
That's a fake one. That's just for
The
fun.
fake.
But those 4.
Yeah.
Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon someday. Det är mitt liv, baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon someday.
We head for lunch at this old farmhouse where we get served up some delicious homemade goodness.
Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon someday.
Later that afternoon, we set off to Brandon's next surprise. Mini golf time! Hey, hey. All right, are we ready, Brandon?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Another surprise, hey, mini golf. So you're gonna be blue. I'll be coral. And Dave's is yellow. Canadian yellow.
Yellow. See if you can close it out.
After 0 holes in one and a handful of mulligans later, we head for some sundowners that lead to dinner and then leads to a beach party. Join us next week as we sail to one of the less well-known gems of the Caribbean, Curaçao. We were truly blown away with this island, so see you next week and thank you for watching.
We've been down this road before. We check for monsters by the door, and it makes you feel stuck inside a wheel. It slowly holds you in.
If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so you can join the adventure each week aboard Zephyr.
Stuck in the middle here.
If you would like early access to weekly videos, bonus content, and free merch, click the Patron logo here. This journey is only made possible thanks to our amazing patrons.
'Cause